Good morning everyone. Today I will be talking about how blockchain can make financial system more secure. We all know that banks and the financial institute handle huge amount of sensitive data every day. Customer details, transactions and the financial records. Cyber attacks on this system are increasing and traditional security methods are no longer enough. Blockchain offer a way to make financial data more transparent, safe, and trustworthy. In this presentation, I will explain the problem, the proposed solution, and how blockchain can be implemented step by step in the financial sector. Now I am discussing about the problem definition. The main problem we are facing today is cyber attacks on the financial institute. Reports show that more than half of organizations around the world have experienced some type of cyber attacks in the last few years. These attacks lead to loss of money, trust, and the customer data. For example, in the Bangladesh bank heist, hackers stole millions through weak security system. The cost of data breaches in banking continue to rise every year. So the problem is clear. Financial systems need a stronger and more reliable way to protect information and also ensure that the people, money, and data remain safe. Now, the proposed solution. The solution I am proposing is blockchain technology. Blockchain is a digital system where every transaction is recorded in a chain of blocks that cannot be changed. Each block is linked to the previous one, making it almost impossible for hackers to alert data. It removes the need for middleman users, strong Egypt, and allow real-time monitoring. This means banks can track every single transaction with fully transparency. By using blockchain, the financial sector can show that data is safe, accurate, and only assignable to the authorized user. Now I am discussing about the project plan overview. The project to be use blockchain in the financial system will happen in four main steps. First, we will find the current security problem and choose the right company to work with. Next, we will build and connect new system followed by pilot testing. After that, we will do testing on a small scale to make sure everything working well. Finally, the next step is we will launch the system fully and train the staff to case it. During this phase, all staff members will receive training to ensure they understand properly how to use the new system efficiently and safely. Each phase is important to make sure that system is safe, well tested, and easy to use for everyone in the organization. Now I am now the discussing about the phase one assessment and the vendor selection. In the phase one duration is 1 month and the first phase the goal is to understand where the current system is weak and what kind of blockchain solution fit best. We will study as anti-cybersecurity setups, identify risk, and decide whether a public or private blockchain works better. Then we will select reliable vendors who have proven experience with secure blockchain systems. We will also look at compiler with financial regulations to make sure that everything meets legal standards. This step builds the foundation for a smooth and the secure implementation. Now the phase 2 system integrations and the development. The duration of this phase is 2 to 3 months and once the vendor are selected the next step is to integrate blockchain into the ascending financial system. This means connecting blockchain with current database and transaction networks. Developer will design smart contracts to automate security transactions. Testing will be done to ensure that data flows correctly and no information is lost. At this stage, cooperation between IT staff, vendors, and the management will be fluid. The main focus here is on technical development and making sure that the blockchain fits seamlessly into the current operations. Now the phase 3, pilot testing. The duration of this phase is also 1 month. In this phase, we will test the blockchain system on a small scale before fully use. A limited number of branches or departments will use it to check performance, security, and user experience. Feedback will be collected from users to fix any technical or operational issues. This testing helping to make sure that system is strong, efficient, and ready for larger development. Pilot testing also gives staff a chance to learn and become comfortable using blockchain before it gonna company wide. Now the final phase is for full-scale development and training. The duration of this phase is also 2 months. After selecting pilot testing, the final phase will involve rolling out the system across the entire organization. This includes full installations, training program for employees, and setting up for monitoring team. Training will focus on how blockchain works, how to manage transactions securely, and how to respond to potentially security alerts. Continuous monitoring will help identify problems quickly. Once completed, the organization will have a much stronger defense against cyber threat. Now, the last one is implementation considerations. While blockchain offers many benefits, it also requires careful planning. Some challenges include high attention cost, the need for technical expertise, and the integration with older systems. Legal and regulatory issues must also be handled carefully to ensure compliance. To overcome these challenges, partnership with expertise, blockchain firms, and regular staff training will be essential. With the right approach, this obstacle can be managed effectively, leading to a secure and a modern system. And also, these are some references that I used in my presentation. Thank you.